What's going on, Craftinistas? So I saw this video over at Roxy Fur's craft channel. I'll leave a link in the description box. And she had made one of these, and so I thought that I had to experience me making one myself. That would be so much easier to film. I do a lot of paper crafts and things at my desk. So I went over to Home Depot and picked up this 1/2 inch PVC pipe. As you can see in the pictures I just showed, I picked up the one that was 10 feet long, and so I just cut this first piece at 26 inches. So you're going to need one cut at 26 inch if you're going to duplicate this. And the one that's the longest, the 26 inch, you're going to make a hole in the middle of that. You're going to drill a hole in the middle of that. Then you're going to need two that are cut at 15 inches. I had my husband cut these for me. We just brought the 10 feet home. And these two right here were cut at 8 inches. And then you're going to need two more that are cut at 5 inches. So 1/16, 2/15, 2/8, and 2/5. You're going to need two 1/2 inch elbow joints, and you're going to need two 1/2 inch T-joints. Then you're going to need some rubber washers. You're going to need at least one on the end. That way you get better coverage for your camera. So I also picked up a carriage bolt. This is 1/4 by 1 1/2 carriage bolt here. That's just going to be the standard size to screw in your camera. And then the 1/4 metal washers, you're going to need a minimum of two. I used something else that we had for better stability already at the house, so I just used two. But in the original video, she used four. So you're going to need a minimum of two. So here I am just showing how to put that together. You're going to take your elbow joints on each end of the 26-inch piece. Then you're going to take the 15-inch piece and then pop those on the end like so. So you're going to have that one 26-inch in the middle, then you're going to have those two going down like that. So then you're going to take your T-joints and you're going to pop that on one end. You're going to duplicate that on the other end. Then you're going to take the 8-inch and then you're going to pop that on one side, and then you're going to take the 5-inch and you're going to put that on the other side. We can have some kind of stability and then it won't topple over. So here I am with this one side done. As you can see, it's already got a good setup of using overhead. I was so excited at this point. And there I am at using the other side. As you can see, I can move it back and forth. It's very easy to do so. You can see here where my hole is in the middle up there. And you can see how high that is. And so you're going to take your carriage bolt and you're going to put your washers on. And like I said, I used two mainly because I only got two. I didn't get the right amount, but you're going to need a minimum of two. I would recommend picking up more unless you've gotten some other things around the house. I picked up some of these these are just basic nuts that screw on from my husband's stash. I just wanted it more tighter, so I put a couple of those on back to back, and then the washers were only sold in a package, so I ended up using all of them. That way my camera will be nice and stable and protected. And then now I have my setup. I use a counter height desk and I am standing at it. And as you can see, I'm not knocking into my camera, my tripod. And here I am actually sitting down in my counter height chair at my counter height desk, and I have the freedom to film. Here I am taking a picture with my iPad, in the finished project.